Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about 5 simple habits that can make your pumping routine easier every day. Many mothers think they need a complicated routine to be successful with pumping. In reality, a few small daily habits can make a big difference. The first habit is preparing your pump before each session. Making sure all the parts are clean and ready to use helps you avoid unnecessary stress. The second habit is keeping all your pumping supplies in one place. Having your pump, storage containers, and cleaning supplies together saves time every day. The third habit is staying hydrated. Many mothers keep a bottle of water nearby during every pumping session as a simple reminder to drink regularly. The fourth habit is following a consistent routine whenever possible. Pumping at similar times each day can help make your schedule easier to manage. The fifth habit is cleaning your pump immediately after each session. This small step keeps everything ready for the next use and prevents extra work later. Remember, you don't need a perfect routine. Even small improvements can make pumping feel more comfortable and organized over time. Every mother's journey is different, so choose the habits that work best for your lifestyle and daily schedule. With preparation, consistency, and simple daily habits, pumping can become a natural and stress-free part of your routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.